Hi transfers, we're excited to see you at Transfers Connect.
And here's a video on where to meet your peer coaches, how to get your parking code, and how to get to the room of the event.
Our transfer peer coaches will be wearing their blue polos and will be at the UCSD Central Campus trolley stop and the Gilman parking structure. If you're taking the bus to get to campus, you'll exit at the Gilman and Myers stop and walk to our transfer peer coach that will be outside the Gilman parking structure. If you're driving to campus, you'll want to download the Parkmobile app before arriving to UCSD. To redeem your promotional code, you'll go to Settings, click Promotional Codes, and then enter the promotional code after clicking Add New. Afterwards, you'll hit Save and it'll save to your account. Once you're on campus, you'll go to the Park feature and search zones, typing in the zone provided to you via email. After you type in the zone and hit search, you'll hit the UCSD option and then be invited to select a duration. After selecting the duration, you should see your promotional code take effect and you no longer have to pay to park for the day. If you happen to arrive early or late for Transfer Connect, you can always search for the room in Google Maps and be given walking directions to get you directly to the room. If you do end up walking by yourself to find the room, you can check out this video to see how to get there once you hit the purple umbrellas by Art of Espresso. Stefania has made it to the room. We hope you found this video helpful, transfers.
And please send us any questions or concerns and via email, and we'll get to it as soon as we can.
Bye, Trinians.
Bye!